He is a father of 2 children, living a simple but happy life in a poor rural home. It begins with a small cough. At first it seems harmless, but it doesn't go away. Weeks turn into months. He develops shortness of breath, chest discomfort, wheezing, repeated chest infections, and constant fatigue. Even asthma treatment does not help. Then it worsens. He coughs blood. He loses weight without explanation. His breathing becomes harder even with inhalers. The symptoms persist despite treatment. He has a history of smoking, and abnormal imaging begins to raise concern, but nothing is clearly addressed. He goes to a crowded hospital with no specialists. They dismiss it as a simple infection and give flu medication, but he does not improve. He becomes weaker and more breathless. One night he cannot breathe. His children watch in fear as an ambulance rushes him away. At a distant hospital, proper tests are finally done. Silence falls. He has advanced lung cancer. All the signs now make sense. The cough, the blood, the weight loss, the worsening breathing, warnings that were missed. He lies in a hospital bed, weak and on oxygen, while his children wait outside, not knowing if their father will ever come home. What happened to him was not just the disease, it was the lack of access to medical expertise. In poor and remote regions, hospitals often lack specialists, resources, and even internet access, causing critical warning signs to be missed. And he is only one of millions facing the same reality every day. That is why we created OFFMED, because offline lives deserve to be saved. OFFMED is an offline AI-powered multi-agent medical system designed for underserved hospitals and clinics. It runs completely locally without internet access, bringing advanced medical intelligence directly to places where specialists are unavailable. The moment a patient describes symptoms, the symptom intelligence engine analyzes the case and identifies all relevant specialties. Then, specialist review agents independently evaluate the condition, generate possible diagnoses, assess risks, and recommend tests. Next, the clinical discussion board compares all specialist opinions together like a real hospital panel to reduce missed warning signs and improve diagnostic accuracy. After that, the chief physician review consolidates all findings into a unified medical conclusion, while the medical safety audit validates consistency, checks risks, and improves reliability. Finally, OFFMED generates both a final patient summary for patients and a technical doctor report for healthcare staff containing clinical reasoning, red flags, recommended tests, and immediate next steps. With this, OFFMED transforms isolated hospitals into AI-assisted medical environments capable of detecting critical diseases earlier, because for OFFMED, offline lives deserve to be saved.